Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the latest urgent update of Chainlink. So keep watch this video till the end friends, because this video going to be very special for all of your friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. As you can see here, first of all we talk about the current price of the Chainlink. This time price of a link is about 48.46 USD dollar is the current price of the Chainlink. And if we talk about the price change occur in the Chainlink, so the last 1 hour change as negative friends, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the both changes occurs in positive friends. And if we talk about the market ring, so the market ring as 11 of Chainlink in the cryptocurrencies market friends. Only the last 1 hour price change as negative friends, except after the last 1 hour the both changes in the Chainlink as positive friends. Let's see the price chart of the Chainlink for more details friends. If we look the price chart of the Chainlink, so as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart. If we look the price change occur, so the price change is absolutely going better, positive 3.36% price change occur in the Chainlink. And if we look the highest price of the Chainlink, so absolutely I like that is absolutely a very big price. 51.65 USD dollar is the highest price of Chainlink, and only and the last 1 day friends. But friends, here is a bad time for all of you friends. If we look the fast occur, that is the highest price. And if we look the current price at this time in the market of link, so 48.4 USD dollar is the current price of Chainlink. Approximately a 2 USD dollar fast and no 3 USD dollar fast occur in the Chainlink price, and only at this point, as you can see here, and in the last 1 day friends, as you can see in this position, the 3 USD dollar falls occur in the price of link coin. So absolutely I hope that this fast is a continuously fast, not that's a temporary fast, and after some fast they again take a jump. So what's your opinion about Chainlink? I hope that after some passage of time there is a jump occurs in the Chainlink. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.